2 years ago, I donated my hair and cut it into a short bob like in these pictures. But this is how my hair looks after 2 years of growing. I trimmed my hair time to time within those 2 years. I focus on thick voluminous hair, not just the length. This is my homemade oil that I use for my hair. Now let's see how to make this oil easily at home. Hi, I am Sonali. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking my video. First take a blender jar, or you can use a fruit processor also. Now I am adding some cleaned shallots into it. If you don't have shallots, you can use red onion also. Next I am using some fenugreek seeds. I am not measuring any quantities here. I am just adding until my ancestors say that's enough. This is curry leaves. I am using a handful of them. These are freshly picked from my garden. These are Moringa leaves. It has lot of benefits for hair growth. I will list down all the benefits of these ingredients in the description box. You can check it there. Now blend all the ingredients well. It's better if you blend the fenugreek seeds first because it hasn't blended very well. Now take a organza fabric and put your blended mixture into it. Wrap it into a bundle so we can easily put and remove it from our oil. I am using double boiling method here. So heat some water into a container and put another container on top of it and add your oil into it. I am using coconut oil here. If you want, you can add little bit of castor oil also into this. Now put your prepared bundle into the oil and let it heat for several minutes. Remember that oil shouldn't be hot. It should be warm but not hot. After double boiling, I kept the mixture in the oil for 1 or 2 days. This is how it looked after 2 days. Remove the mixture from the oil and use this oil directly onto your scalp. I am storing this in a bottle and I am using a nozzle tip for easy application. If you don't have a nozzle tip, you can use a dropper also. Apply this oil directly into your scalp and massage your scalp few minutes. I usually do it before going to bed and I wash my hair the next day. One important tip is I always oil my hair when my scalp is clean. That means within 1 or 2 days after having a bath. When follicles are clogged with dirt and sweat, it won't absorb any oil you put into your hair. I hope you got something from my video. So thanks for watching. Until we meet again, see you. Bye.